Hi, everybody. I just wanted to take you through the week number 7, quarter 1 instructional module. So first and foremost, before you log into class every time, check your inbox for any messages from me and also check announcements. So we'll go to announcements now. And I have got the week number 7, quarter 1 announcements posted. So I just want you to read through these. You have the home self-assessment test number 2. It's due Friday, October 2nd. Weight training quiz and fitness log are due on Monday, and your mile run and your exercise research project discussion board are due on Wednesday. And I'll get into explaining each of these activities in just a few moments. And then, as always, if you have questions, email me right here through Canvas, or if you have any questions regarding the assignments, you can also send me a message through chat. But just to remind you, if it's a personal question, it's better to email me because everyone can see the information on chat. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the module. So you'll notice when you look at the module, it's going to be locked again. So you have to watch the instructional video in order to unlock the other assignments. So if you ever notice that any of your modules are light gray, it's because they're locked. So what you'll have to do is click on the dark black file. And once you click on that, it automatically opens up the rest of them. So once you'll watch the video, you'll hit next, and then it'll automatically take you to each of the files. So the first one is going to be the protocol for home self assessment testing, and I have a link for each test. So if you click on each of these links, it will take you specifically to the test. If you're not sure which ones they are, you can click on them, and it'll take you to the web page and explain each test to you. The only one that you don't have to do is a vertical jump, just because it's really hard to measure that at home. But other than that, you are responsible to complete all of the rest of these tests by Friday. Just one thing is for the mile run, you guys already have to do the mile run, so make sure you just take that score and input it into your assessment sheet. So the next file I have is going to be the form that I want you to use. I have it in 2 different versions, so I put it in a Word doc. So all you have to do is click on that and it'll open up and you can fill it out, and then just save it to your desktop and you can submit it back to me. If you don't want to do that, or if your computer doesn't open up a Excel spreadsheet, you can go to the next file, and I put it in Google form. So if you click on this one, it'll open up, and then all you have to do on the file is just hit make a copy, and then you rename it with your, you could put your names, home self-assessment sheet with your name on it, and then fill that out and then upload the link to me. So that's how you can do that. So it's really easy. Make sure that I have your results from September 4th and then the results from this Friday, October 2nd. So you're going to receive points if I see both. If you, for whatever reason, didn't take the first test, make sure you write in each box, did not take the test or was not in class yet, just so I have an explanation, because the goal of this assessment is to see your progression, to see how you've improved over the course of the school year. So once you've done that, you're going to basically just hit submit assignment, and then you're going to upload the file to me, either in Excel or Google Sheets. And you'll get 5 points for the info on September and 5 points for the info in October. So your Monday assignments are going to be your quiz. So you're going to have a weight training quiz. So you're going to read the article about basics of weight training. So read through this information, and then after you're done reading it, you'll go to the quiz. And the quiz is, once again, 30 minutes long. So make sure that you set aside time to take it, because if you walk away from it once you start it and don't complete it in 30 minutes, it automatically locks and your score will automatically be submitted. So make sure that you are reserving time, at least 30 minutes, to complete this quiz. And then, so those are the assignments for Monday, and then the assignments for Tuesday, you're going to be doing actually, this is the other assignment for Monday. So you're going to be doing the fitness logbook. So you're going to work out for at least 30 minutes. Okay. You don't need to record your workout unless you want to, but just write it down for me. You can do any type of workout you want. I added a CrossFit module, and you're welcome to use the workout from there. If it's not 30 minutes in duration, you can do it again, or you can pick another workout from the list and do 2 of the CrossFit WODs, whatever you want to do. And you'll get 10 points for your fitness logbook, so 1 point for including the date of the exercise session, 5 points for being specific about it. Make sure you're writing down your workout in a manner that I would be able to know exactly what you did based on reading what you wrote. Also, your duration, so it needs to be at least 30 minutes, and then your exercise intensity, so rate of perceived exertion on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest and 10 being the most difficult. And let me go into modules, and I can show you the CrossFit WOD. If you just keep scrolling down, you'll see it's probably at the very bottom. CrossFit WODs. So you can click on any of these, and they're all different activities that whatever you want to choose, and you can pick 1 or 2 or 3, and you can do them. So say you pick one and it only took you 5 minutes, then do another one, or do it twice or 3 times, and so on. Just make sure you're getting at least 30 minutes of fitness in today, and then you'll submit in your fitness log. In your fitness logbook, you'll submit whatever you did to me. Just make sure that you are filling out your fitness log according to this information right here. Okay, so then those are the assignments for Monday, and then for Wednesday, you have your mile run again. Make sure that you guys are tracking your mile run on your fitness app, and I believe this class is using Nike, so make sure that you're sharing your runs with me. And if you happen to want to ride a bike, make sure you use Strava for that, and it's 3 miles for of riding a bike for every 1 mile of running. And you just have to switch on Strava your feature from running to biking if you want to do that. But if you're running, make sure that you're using Nike Run. You share your route with me so I can see that, and you're also taking a screenshot and submitting that to me. Okay, and then same running indoor instructions. Word of the week this week is sweat. And you're going to get points for, I'm seeing a lot of treadmill screens, but you're not giving me both distance and time, so you're now getting points for that. So I need to see either a post-it with your name, date, and word of the week sweat, or a selfie, and I need to see the distance and the time. So if you need to take 2 photos to make sure you can squeeze all that in, that's fine too. Okay, and then once again, if you're planning to do Metaconda, I move the Metaconda into another module called How To Videos. And the last activity for the week, which is going to be on Wednesday, but it's actually open right now for you guys if you want to start early. It's your exercise research project discussion board. So based on the topic that you wrote about last week, you're going to now create a workout at least 30 minutes in duration, and include at least 6 to 8 exercises. Make sure that you're listing your reps, sets. If you're doing a circuit, include the time for each activity. So it's going to be the same format as you did last time when you posted a workout on the discussion board, and you're going to share with your classmates, and then next week they're going to try one of your workouts. So please be as thorough as possible when you're explaining your workouts. Be as clear as possible. Try to make some workouts interesting. Some of the feedback I was getting from the students, it was the workouts were too easy, or maybe they weren't specific enough. If you happen to do like a yoga workout, include information about like how to do certain poses and whatnot. Some of the exercises that people listed, a lot of other students didn't know what they were or how to do them, so it'd be a good idea to include a link or explain a little of what you're talking about. And then in order to participate in this, you're just going to hit the reply button, and then you're just going to post your workout here. So you can copy and paste it or fill it out on a different sheet and then copy and paste it right here, and then just hit post reply, and you're good to go for the week. So if you have any questions, once again, always email me right here through Canvas, send me a message through chat, and have a good week. Thank you.